Hey everyone, before we start building anything, let me show you what this AI agent can actually do. So I have created a simple IT support agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio. Let's say I get a support email from the user that says I am getting a server down error and I can't access the application. Now watch this. I will simply paste that email into the agent and within a few seconds give me the clear summary of the issue and possible root cause and even the suggested fix. That's pretty amazing, right? So this agent is not just copying the email or repeating the same text. It is actually understanding the problem and giving me the useful response. Now imagine your IT team receive 50 or 100 support email every day. So instead of reading each email manually, an AI agent like this can summarize them and categorize those emails and suggest the next action. That's the power of AI agent. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build this from scratch using the Microsoft Copilot Studio. So welcome to AI Engineering Lab. I am Kiran, and on this channel we'll talk about the AI agent, MCP servers, and practical AI projects for the IT professional. So if you are a developer, tester, Scrum Master, or someone working in IT, this channel is going to help you understand how AI can make your daily work faster and smarter. So in today's video, we'll cover three simple things. First, I will explain what an AI agent actually is. Then we'll build a simple IT support agent together. And finally, I will show you how you can use the same concept in a real project. One important thing here, I am using the free trial version of the Microsoft Copilot Studio for this demo. So it's perfect for the learning, testing, and creating a sample agent. But if you want to publish the agent for your company and connect it to your enterprise system, you may need a Copilot Studio license and pay as a go credit. But for the learning and building your first agent, the free trial is more than enough. So let's get started. All right. Before we jump into the Microsoft Copilot Studio and start building the AI agent, let's first understand what can AI agent can actually do. You have probably heard the terms like the AI assistant, AI bot, AI agent, and many more. At first, they all sound similar, but they are actually quite different. So let's keep this simple. This thinks of an AI agent as a digital teammate. Imagine you are working in a IT company. Every day you receive an email, Jira ticket, bug report, Teams message, and the customer request. Now imagine you are hiring a new teammate. You don't expect them to know everything on the first day. Instead, you explain their responsibility. So you might say, whenever a support email arrive, you read it carefully, understand the issue, identify the root cause if possible, and suggest the next troubleshooting step. That's exactly how an AI agent work. You give it a responsibility, you define a goal for it, you tell it what success look like, and then it starts helping you to complete your task. So that's actually happen inside the AI agent. That's what actually happen inside the AI agent. So whenever we give a task, it actually follow five simple steps. First one is a goal. So everything starts with a goal. Without a goal, the AI doesn't know what it is supposed to do. For example, my application is down. That my that by Excel page is not enough information. So, but if we say read this support email and summarize the issue, now the AI has a clear goal. And after that, next, the AI read the information. It doesn't just look for the keyword. It try to understand the meaning behind the text. So, let's say user write, I am making a server down error and I can't access the application since this morning. So human immediately understand that this sounds like a production issue, but agent tries to understand it in a same way, but it identify the application isn't accessible. Server might be unavailable, or server issue start recently, or a user need immediate help. So instead of copying the email, it understand the situation. So after that, it will start planning. So it asks itself, what should I do next? Should I summarize the issue? Should I classify it as a server problem, or should I suggest restarting the service? So So this planning phase is what make an AI agent much smarter than the traditional chatbot. Now it will start taking action. Depending on what you have been, the AI agent might summarize the email, draft the response, create the ticket, update other jobs. It can also generate the test cases. It depends on the agent you have created. So, and finally, it will deliver the result. Instead of making you read an entire email, it give you something useful. For example, it will say that the server is down, the service is unavailable, or restart the affected service and review the server logs. So this is the complete workflow. So first, it will define the goal and it will understand it, plan for it, then take a action, then it will provide the result. And
Before we move to the implementation part, please make a moment to like and subscribe to my channel. It really uh, helps keep me motivated to create a more tutorial like this. Now let's jump straight to the Microsoft Copilot Studio. So once you log in, the Copilot Studio dashboard will look like this. Here you have to click on this agent icon, and in that you will see the previously created agent. To create a new agent, you just have to click on this create a blank agent, and here you have to provide the agent name. So here I am providing a agent name as a IT support assistant. Okay, and after that you just need to click on the create button, and it will start setting up the agent for you. It will take a few seconds to complete this setup. So let's wait for a few seconds to get it complete. After that, you need to select a model and set up the description and instruction for it. So I register some description and instruction for this agent in my uh, notepad. So we'll copy it from there. So first you need to select the model. So here I'm selecting a Cloud Sonnet 4.6, and let's wait to load this description. Okay, now it's here. You click on the edit icon, and here I'm just going to copy paste it from my notepad. So here is my instruction. I'm going to copy it and pasting it into the description, and it's just click on the save icon. And after that you need to set up the instruction for it. So I already stored the instruction in my here in the notepad. I'm going to copy it from there. So this instructions say that you are a IT support assistant and you have to read the email from your Outlook, identify the issue, and summarize it when your user asks for it. Okay, and after that you scroll down. There you will see the tools. So agent will need a tool connector that can uh, agent will use that tool to read the emails from your Outlook, and after that it will use those emails to analyze the issue. So for that you need to add a connector, that is a get email v3. So this is the first connector you have to click on. You need to set up a connection for it. This is the Outlook connection, and click on the add and configure button. So now it will start adding this connector in your agent. So let's wait. Okay, now the connector has added in your uh, agent. So after that you need to provide some input to this connector so that it can fetch the uh, emails from the Outlook with that subject and the recipient. So for that you need to just add the input from, and here I'm going to set I'm expecting the emails from the AI engineering lab recipient, and after that I'm going to add a subject line for it. So I'm going to only paste the Outlook email subject line contain the IT support. Okay, let's add the subject filter. Click on the custom value and the subject, the IT support. After that, you just need to click on the save icon. Okay, now the your agent is set up. Let's check if everything is there. The description is there. Model, we have added a model. Instruction is also there. So now you can just test your agent from this test pen. So for that, you just need to ask agent. I'm going to ask agent, how can you help me today? It should give me the proper response. Ah, what happened? Okay, let's try again. Okay, something is wrong. Let me check the setup again one more time. So reception is there, model is there, instruction is there, tool is there. So let's say again. So let me ask the direct question like the user has reported some issues and please help me to analyze it and fix it. So user reported a server issue error today and they are not able to access the uh, application. So uh, the application, now click on the send icon and after that our agent will read this command, analyze it, and it will start fetching the emails from our Outlook. So you have to give your permission to this agent to access your Outlook email. Now it's fetching the Outlook email from my Outlook and checking if there is an email with the subject line IT support and from the recipient. Now the IT this agent has analyzed this email and it gave me the response. So this response contain the issue and how to troubleshoot it. So everything is there in this agent response. So you can create it. You can create similar type of agent for your uh, as per your requirement. Yeah, that's it from.
Now let's talk about why this is useful in your real life. Imagine you are a state developer or IT support engineer. Every day your team might receive dozens of emails, Jira tickets, bug report, or support requests. Reading each one manually takes a lot of time. But an AI agent can help by summarizing support emails, categorizing issue, then suggesting troubleshooting step or drafting response or creating daily reports. For example, if 100 support emails come in a day, the AI agent can quickly identify which one are high priority, which one are related to server issue, and which need immediate action. So this save hours of manual work, help the team focus on solving real problem instead of doing the repetitive task. So as late as that, I can already see how useful this can be for the automation testing and the or the incident management as well. Okay. So today we learn what an agent is, how it works, and how to build a simple IT support agent using a Microsoft Copilot Studio. We started by looking at the final result. Then we went back and built the agent step by step. And the most important thing to remember is this: an agent is not just a chatbot. It's a system that can understand goal, plan the step, and help you achieve the useful result. And the best part is that you can start building this agent today, even with the free trial version of the Copilot Studio. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to AI engineering lab, because in the next video I will show you how to build more advanced AI agent for Jira automation, test case generation, customer support, and the MCP server integration. And I'm also going to show you how to create a custom MCP that can be integrated with the Copilot Studio. And yeah, also comment below if you and tell me what agent would you like to build next. I would love to create a tutorial based on your suggestion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.